Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about 2018 Telugu movie Care of Kancharapalam, which is directed by Venkatesh Maha and produced by Probina Paruchuri. This movie deals with four love stories. The love stories are connected. To know this answer, you must watch this movie. Beautiful thing in this movie is that the set is completely in and around a real location, Kancharapalam, a small town in Visakhapatnam, where all the actors are from around those places, and those actors are not popular face of movie industry. This is an unconventional love story. There is no dream sequence or dance number which we generally see in Telugu films, but the movie stories are spanning with four different aged persons. The movie starts with showing Raju, and the character is unmarried 50-year-old who works as an attender in government office. The whole village actually wants him to get married, and some point of time they suspect him as homosexual. But later on we can see that he is actually fond of Radha, a widowed Odisha lady who recently got transferred to the office from Odisha, and she doesn't know Telugu. She doesn't know how to speak Telugu. She speaks in Hindi, and both starts conversation in mixed Hindi and Telugu. And this conversation is really enjoyable. In another parallel story, there is 10-year-old small kid Sundaram who has infatuation over a small girl Sunita, whom he and his friend follow in rain up to reaching school. This whole scenario brings a soothing, innocent feeling in your heart. Eventually, they become friends, and Sundaram encourages her to continue singing. That is her hobby. But she is very afraid because of her father doesn't like singing. In the next story, the third story, there is a character called Gadam. His name is Gadam. He works in a liquor shop, and he obsessed with a regular customer, a mysterious lady with a hidden face and eyes open, waiting for liquor. Every day he waits for this moment and he wants to talk with her, but he is too shy to speak. Later on, their bonding slowly starts, and he come to know that she is a Muslim lady. Her name is Salima, and she is a sex worker. But neither these things or the religion aspects stands in between his love for her. In the last story, we can see their two characters have hatred and anger for each other, but soon this will turn into love. One guy is Joseph and the girl is Bhargavi. Joseph is a Christian and Bhargavi is belong to a Orthodox family, Hindu family. So, and the main problem is Joseph is a gun who wants to prove himself and wants to transform as a pure man. Eventually, he starts working in a hotel and wait for 1 month to get back to the village to propose Bhargavi and to settle everything right. But whether their love story will see a happy ending, we have to watch. All the stories displayed parallel way, and there are few more subplots, and it looks too realistic because of the authenticity and natural acting. every story has an underlying message, even deals with all kind of social issues like intercaste affair, communal riots, second marriage, all kind of social taboo which are present in our society currently. Thanks to the simplicity in the movie, director Moha Venkates's Care of Kancharapalam is a gem of a film with various emotions that it can achieve the tag cult classic, which is still underrated and it deserves to be watched repeatedly.